Introduction to Internet Browsers. Nowadays, everything in the world is through the web. That is, we are able to browse, or we can able to uh, subscribe anything through this internet. Websites seen through this internet or through these browsers. The currently available browsers are Internet Explorer, Netscape Navigator, and Opera, Mozilla Firefox. Some freely download browsers are also available in the net, so you can easily browse and find free download versions of the Internet Explorer. Nowadays, IE7 is available through the Microsoft Corporation MSDN or Mozilla Firefox. They are availing you the browsers, so you can easily avail that browsers. And through these browsers, we can able to see many websites for railway reservation, or you're checking your mail. You can easily get into that through these browsers. The browsers not only help for these commercial activities, also for searching the mails, searching the websites, or the address bar are useful to get into that particular website. So first we have to know about the window, what the window contains. So a window contains the following: title bar, toolbar, control box, menu bar, minimize, maximize and close buttons, horizontal scroll bar, left and right arrows, vertical scroll bar, and up and down arrows, status bar. So these are all the elements which are inside the windows. The title bar is which contains the title of the web page. The current web page title will be shown in the title bar, and the toolbar contains the cut, copy, paste elements, and the control box which contains the controlling activities like whether we have to maximize or minimize. These buttons are into the control box, and the menu bar shows the file, edit, the options are available in the menu bar, and then the horizontal scroll bar to scroll the web page and to see the other elements which are found in the website, and the left and right arrows, vertical scroll bars to find the which is down in the website. So we can scroll this vertical web scroll bar so that we can view the other elements which are down in the website. Then up and down arrows, and up and down arrows are used for scrolling the website, and in the side of up and down. And then the status bar which shows the status of progression, that is which is loading or not. So for that purpose, the status bar is mainly used. We can avail this status bar by clicking or checking the options which are given in the menu. When the status bar is checked, the status will be available in your window, so that you can easily check that what's where from where the file is getting downloaded, and what's the progression, whether it is downloaded or done, or that it is still downloading the website. Such a status can be known through the status bar. So if these are all the elements you can find, that's definitely that is a window. We can call that as a window. Then after learning this window, we are getting into the HTML, introduction to HTML. HTML is a expansion of that hypertext markup language. First we study about the history of HTML. So the history of HTML. The seed for HTML was sown by IBM in the early 1980s. They wanted to set a documentation system in which one could mark the title, headings, paragraphs and font type selections. They called it general markup language. So first, the 1980s, the seed was sown. That is the project work for HTML, for invention of the HTML language, was sown by IBM. For every project, to make a documentation work about the project, that is what the project contains, what are all the diagrams it is associated with, and designing and the coding work which was done, and the main forms or main elements in the project, what this project is used for, and for whom is the project done, and for when the project it was done, and like that for every purposeful information, this documentation to be done. So first earlier version of this markup language is they called as general markup language, GML. In 1986, the International Standardizing Organization, ISO, took up this concept and standardized it as Standard Generalized Markup Language. In 1989, Tim Berners-Lee designed the present form of the documentation language and called it HTML. So in 1986,